Hey guys, welcome back to the Roadshow News Year in Review. We've arrived at August. In the closing months of summer, there was another huge debut, and a very long-awaited car at that, the new Nissan Z. Nissan's new sports car drops the numerical figure just to become the Z going forward, but in the process, it really becomes a greatest hits album of the best of what has made the Z car. Up front, there's definitely some throwback cues to the original Z car, and I know the internet's pretty divided on that squared off jaw, which, quite frankly, I'm not sure I'm sold on that either. But overall, the front, it's a very good look. I don't think there's anything polarizing about the rear of this car, though. Seriously, I am still in love with those 300ZX inspired taillights and a gorgeous sloping roofline that gives the Z car a profile that it really deserves. I don't care that this is still riding on a 370Z platform. I really don't care about the old architectural bones. This car looks fantastic. Did I mention the new Z has a 400 horsepower 3.0 liter twin turbo V6 engine? No? Oh well, it does, and that's quite the improvement over the naturally aspirated 3.7 liter V6 currently found in the 370Z today. Really, and I'm gonna say it, the new Z could be a very formidable Toyota Supra rival for a lot less money. Okay, what else happened in August? I'm checking my notes and oh yeah, we drove the Ford Bronco for the first time because that is a seriously important new vehicle that Ford launched this year. And you'll have to check down in the description below, so when you're done watching this, go down below into the description and we'll have the link down there for you because it's a very lengthy first impression because there's a lot to go over. That, everyone, is all I had for August, and as always, we super duper appreciate when you like these videos and when you subscribe to Roadshow News. It helps us grow the channel and does some things with the YouTube algorithm and SEO and things far beyond my pay grade, but yeah, we really appreciate it when you do it. As always, I'll see you in the next one.